The neuroscience behind decluttering space to declutter the mind. Clear space, clear mind. How decluttering rewires your brain for calm and focus. Ever feel overwhelmed just by looking at your messy room or desk? That's not just stress, it's your brain reacting to visual chaos. But what if cleaning your space could literally clean your mind? Today, we're diving into the fascinating neuroscience behind the clutter. Let's see how your physical environment shapes your mental state, attention, and emotional well-being. In a world full of distractions, simplifying your environment may be one of the most powerful mental health tools at your fingertips. Let's start with how clutter literally hijacks your brain. Visual cortex overload. Your visual cortex processes everything in your line of sight. When there's too much clutter, your brain works harder to filter irrelevant stimuli. Study by University of Connecticut titled "The Mental Health Benefits of Decluttering" found that decluttering can significantly improve mental well-being by reducing stress, anxiety, and feelings of overwhelm. It promotes a sense of control, clarity, and increased focus, enhancing overall emotional health. Link for the same is given in the description for your reference. The brain treats clutter as unfinished tasks, adding to your mental load and reducing working memory. Clutter can spike your cortisol levels, your body's primary stress hormone. Researchers found that women who described their homes as cluttered had higher cortisol levels throughout the day. Chronic stress from clutter may worsen anxiety, sleep, and even immune function. The brain's love for order. Our brains are wired to seek patterns and order. Completing small tasks, like tidying a drawer, can trigger dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter. Clear space allows your prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and focus, to function with less interference. Do you know why decision fatigue happens? Too much stuff means too many micro-decisions. Should I keep this? Where does that go? It's mentally exhausting. Every item requires your brain to make a decision, contributing to decision fatigue. This depletes cognitive resources you could use on more meaningful tasks. When done consciously, decluttering is a mindfulness practice. It brings you into the present moment, seeing, touching, deciding with awareness. This activates the default mode network, helping with introspection and creativity. Very importantly, cleaning rituals, like folding or organizing, can be meditative. Yes, because such activities help in calming the amygdala, which controls fear and anxiety. Here are the practical tips backed by neuroscience to declutter your space to declutter your mind. Want to leverage neuroscience to declutter your mind? Try these tips. 1. One space at a time, reduces overwhelm. 2. Make decisions quickly, avoids decision fatigue. 3. Use zones, your brain likes categorized systems. 4. Keep only visible joy, inspired by Marie Kondo, this engages your reward centers. 5. Schedule it. Turn decluttering into a habit loop. Decluttering isn't just about a clean room, it's about freeing your brain to think clearly, feel calm, and perform at its best. So the next time you tidy up your space, remember, you're also taking care of your mind. Like this content? Subscribe to our Dr. U24 Your Health Begins With You channel for more neuroscience-backed strategies for a better life. Thank you.